In this video, we will go over the answer and explanation to the sort array by parity coding exercise. Up at the top of the code, we will include the vector header file. Inside of the sort array by parity function, we will create a variable of type int named evens end pointer that we set equal to 0. Then we will have a for loop that starts at int I equals 0, runs while I is less than nums.size, and increments I by 1 each time. Inside of this for loop, we will check if nums at index I modulus 2 is equal to 0. In that case, we know we've hit an even number. Inside of this if statement, we will increment the evens end pointer. Else, we will utilize a for loop that starts at int j equals evens end pointer plus 1, runs while j is less than nums.size, and increments j by 1 each time. Inside of this for loop, we will check if nums at index j is even, by using the modulus operator with a value of 2 and checking if the result is 0. If so, we know we've hit an even number, in which case we can swap this number with the odd number currently at index I in the nums list. Inside of this if statement, we will create an int variable named temp that we set equal to nums at index j. Then we will set nums at index j equal to nums at index I. After that, we will set nums at index I equal to temp. Next, we will increment the evens end pointer and then break from the if statement. At the bottom of the function, we will return nums. When we run the code to check our solution, notice that it is correct.